Hello everyone, welcome back to another daily news segment of Simply Investing. I keep trying to get these out every day, but it just seems like I got a lot of work to do. Plus, I'm trying to get the website tweaked and getting up articles as I go. I just posted one about Alibaba, BABA. I suggest you read it. Go to the website, sign up, and check it out. I'll have that posted in the description. Also, do go to the website because if you'd like to contribute and you think you are interested in writing articles about business and finance, visit the website, send an email. I'll send you some paperwork to fill out, and then you can start submitting articles. You get paid $125 per article that gets submitted to the website. Now, that doesn't mean you can submit 20 in one day and all 20 get posted, but if I pick one or two, that's $250 for a short amount of time. Or whatever time you put into it, I guess. However much is, but not a lot of work. I'm not asking for like a book. Just give me a factual article, or even if it's your opinion, don't be belligerent about it. Just state the opinion, educate it with some class, I guess, and then just so I can post it on there. Things will be edited so that we're not too misconstruing, so just make sure it falls in line with the rules of the site. Also, I just added a forum on there, so you can, part of that forum is going to be part of that subscription package because it is access to a lot of information, and going through that way you guys could probably increase your gains by 2 to 3%, maybe 5% based off of sharing information. And that's kind of what that whole thing is for. So, and of course, the subscription fee is to pay people who contribute and pay editors and hopefully make enough money so I can just stop doing these on my phone and get some serious video and editing equipment. I don't mean go get a $200 camera. We're going to probably spend about $50,000 getting a location and getting a camera. I don't know how much it costs. That's why I just say $50,000. I'm gonna look into that because I think maybe having a little bit more professional setting. But I still want to do these personal videos. But having a professional setting for the news might be good. Anyway, Feds kept the interest rates the same, so market didn't eat it as well as I thought it would. It kind of went like this through the days. Companies that generally aren't affected by it weren't affected by it, so they actually performed well. Fit stayed on top, got back in the 40s. I like to see that. A lot of other biotechs kind of went down, some went up. It's crazy up there. Banks went down, of course, that's to be expected. They're not going to make as much profit, and they're going to be giving out a little bit cheaper money through the holiday seasons through all these retail agents buying merchandise off of rolling merchant credit through these big banks. Another thing I want to talk about is there's a lot of Chinese companies that are coming and going, and I did put up an article about Alibaba on there, as mentioned earlier, so check it out. It is really good. You get my ratings. I will try to post a hot or not every day, at the very least, on that website, so you guys can get a quick trade. And then I got a request from Jeff about doing AA. I will do that tomorrow, a video on AA, or probably tomorrow morning before the trading hour, so stay posted on that. Also on the website, books coming. I'm sorry this is turning into more of an update of what's going on, but I am going to have books that I have read or am currently reading that you guys can purchase. I actually found a distributor so I can get these at a decent price and send them off to you. And actually I noticed I'm getting them for $10-15 cheap. I can sell them for $10-15 cheaper than Amazon. So I think that's pretty good. So let's everyone hop on there. If you guys are interested in reading what the books I read, or have a suggestion for me to read a book, I'll read it, pop it on there so other people can see it. And if they want to buy it, saves them time from having to go hunt them down, go to Barnes & Noble or what's the other one, Books A Million. Go into those stores, because I know it's a pain in the butt, because you see it's online. It's like, oh, it takes 10 to 14 days to come in, or 2 weeks. You're like, oh, I want the information now. So I at least will have it in stock and get it out to you in a couple days, in 3 to 5 days. But as far as my market moves, I'm looking back into manufacturing. I'm looking highly into, like, Toyota's been in my long haul for years, and I've been, kind of simple communicating with Jeff. So thank you for your comments, Jeff. Please keep feeding in comments. Also, feel free to comment on the Facebook page, because the more information you guys get, the better off everybody is. Because you guys will basically become one gigantic think tank and make more information. But manufacturing is really good. I like Tesla, but after they released their patent, I know a really, 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 really strong startup company is probably going to hit. I don't know the name, but I know it's going to happen, because people are wanting to save more money. Even though gas went down, people are still looking to save even more money. So if I can get away with filling up my tank once every 2 months off of $20, yeah, that's a lot of gas that you save. That's a lot of gas. Because even in a Corolla, you drive a lot, you're filling up once a week. That's $80. That's a lot. But if you can get away with once every 2 months, well, that's a considerably less amount, and that puts money in your pocketbook to do other things. That's why I think someone's going to take advantage of that patent and create a real basic car right around the $10,000 mark that's going to spread like wildfire. I think it's going to happen. I know it's going to happen. If it doesn't, and I get the money someday, I'm going to jump in and create it. So, I mean, that's my opinion on it, and I think a great place for it to start up would be in Detroit. But I like manufacturing because I think this is the turning point. I think manufacturing is going to start coming back to the United States over the next 5 years, and there are some really good manufacturing companies, whether they're foreign or domestic. They're building plants in the U.S., and I think it'd be a great time to start investing in them, because they not only do they pay a little bit of dividends, but they're going to be poised to make a lot of money, because they're going to recoup their efforts. So they're going to pay people a good wage, and then those people are going to buy their products, and they're going to spend money, and those people will be able to buy their products. So it's going to create a cascading effect, which will reboost the economy. That's what America really needs, is manufacturing to come back. I think the finance industry is going to be stagnant for a couple of years, because they still don't know what to do. And this is like the first era where investment banks have not made, or I should say not made, are having a hard time making profits. They're having a really hard time making profits, really hard time. And I think it would be a good bet that I just lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. So I'm really late. I'm tired. I've been doing research all day because I got to get prepared to make money tomorrow. But I think they're gonna start looking for alternative means, like Morgan Stanley, J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, the retail banks. They're gonna start looking for other ways to make money. Now the retail banks have figured it out with fees. They're just gonna keep charging new fees. They're gonna make another fee, make it here, make it there, add it here, add it there, keep going. That's what they're gonna do, and I think that's how they're gonna make some money. But I'd like to see them make money by loaning more money to small businesses. Not a lot. You don't have to loan each small business over $500,000. But if you could loan more small businesses, like $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, that'd be a great start. And that would actually boost the economy a little bit. And they, of course, can charge small businesses 10 to 12% on interest and get away with it. So I think they can make a lot more money that way, and I hope they start doing it. As soon as a bank says that they're investing more into small businesses, into small business lending, invest in them. Quickly invest in them, because they're going to reap the benefits, because the next wave of the economy is going to be people just saying, hell, I'm going to start my own business. And a lot of people don't have money, because 74% of America does not have a savings account. So what they're going to do is they're just going to go right to the bank and borrow money. And that's where the banks are going to make money. My other thing, I don't think I think Facebook's going to stagger. I would like to see them add more features to it. Although I can't say any features that you might add to it other than the infamous dislike button. But I've been reading articles that they're going to come out with it. However, what I want to see out of Facebook is a better revenue stream, but they're still a watch. They're still a watch. You still should watch them. But if they do strong dips into the 80s, I would buy, but don't buy in the 90s. If it dips into the 80s, buy. Goes back into the 90s, just hold. Dip, buy, hold, dip, buy, hold. But I would hold Facebook for a couple years because I think they're still building value, but I think there's a lot more they can do on that revenue platform because anyone can take them out. Just like they took out MySpace, someone can take out them. And people say, well, they got over 1 billion users. They could still get taken out because there's 7 billion other people. Or I'm sorry, not 7. There's 6 billion other people on the planet. There's 7 billion people on the planet. You got 1 billion of them. So who has the other 6? Like I said, it's very easy for something like that to dominate in that market. That's why I'm a little hesitant in social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, stuff like that, because they can get blown out of order by the next hot craze. And I don't invest in crazes. I invest in steady linear growth models. As far as day trading, I know a lot of you have been asking me about day trading. I don't really have an opinion. I shouldn't say I don't have an opinion on day trading because I do day trading occasionally, but I do it in a comfortable range. So don't day trade with money you need. Day trade with money you could say if I lose all of it, I'm fine. So I do a little bit of day trading, usually on Thursday and Friday towards the end of the week because that's when stuff's going up and down. And probably Thursday is a dip day, and then Friday is a rally day. But a lot of times a Friday can be a down day because a lot of hedge funds and brokers are dumping their stock and will repurchase it on Monday. So with that said, that's just some tidbits of information for your daily news today. I'm going to do a tax video Thursday because I'm getting all the information. So John, your tax video is coming. It is coming. And Jeff, your video about AA will be in the morning. Anyone else, if you guys like me to do a video on a stock, on analyzing it and giving you my opinion, feel free to email me, comment, send me a message on the Facebook page, Simply Investing 2015. Visit the website. Always read the articles. I got a couple people telling me that the website is great. Still needs a bit of work, and I'll be honest, we still need a lot of work with the website, but we're getting stuff up there. And it would really help if more people would like to step up and contribute, because not saying that my information is not good, but more information is always better, and that's the key currency. Money is the end result of trading. Information is your currency that you're trading. Information is the key thing that you need out of everything. The faster you get it and the more collective exchanges you can have, the better your trading can be. That's why I want the website for you guys, for myself and for you guys, because hey, we all could benefit from it, because there's always something that someone knows that not everyone else knows. And that's why I want as many people as I can join that forum. Join the website, join the Facebook page, like and subscribe the channel, comment on the channel, because the more information, the better. That's all I have to say for today. I'm going to be up early tomorrow with another video. I got to catch some Z's so I can get up early and make some smart trades and make some money. Because I have a feeling this week's going to be a money week. Just a gut feeling. So I want to be on top of it for tomorrow. If you got any questions, leave a comment. I try to reply as fast as I can. For those of you that I missed, I'm sorry. Awful lot of comments that keep coming in through every channel, through YouTube, through the web page, through the LinkedIn. I do apologize if I missed yours. Don't feel bad or disconnected that I missed it. Just repost it. Send me a message, say, hey, you missed my comment, I want to know, and I will answer. So with that, thank you guys for all your support. Like and subscribe. Sign up on the website. Like the Facebook page. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 100 likes on Facebook, and we need at least 200 registered users on the website, and I can start paying people some serious money for giving you guys some great content, and hopefully have a great place to do better videos at with cool animations and everything. So with that said, have fun trading. Remember, respect the process, follow the process, understand it. Don't let it slip. Don't let your emotions slip in. Keep them out. Like, do whatever you got to do to get them out of your system before you trade, because when you trade with your emotions, you will lose. Just like when you go gamble or play poker with your emotions, you will lose. Leave your emotions at home. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.